Hello everyone, welcome to Ansari Brother Technology channel. In this video, we are demonstrating the installation of Docker on Windows using Docker Desktop. To download Docker Desktop, open browser and search Docker Desktop. From the official Docker website, download the Docker Desktop for Windows. Once download complete, go to download folder and start installation. While installations begin, through the installation process, press OK and continue the installation. It will take some time to get installed into the system. As the installation process going on, I would like to tell about Docker Desktop. Docker Desktop is one-click install application for a Mac, Linux or Windows environment that lets us build, share and run containerized application and microservices. It streamlines both deployment and infrastructure management. That further helps us in any code deployment, development on production environments. Mm. So when installation gets complete, it will ask us to close and restart. When you click on close and restart, system will be rebooted. Once the system rebooted, you will find Docker service agreement. So click on accept and continue. If you encounter WSL versioning error like we have one, you can start resolve this error by opening the command prompt and typing the command which is mentioned over there. Once this WSL system gets updated, Docker restart the Docker application. So when you restart the Docker application, it will get initialized and Docker engine will be ready for future use. Thanks for watching with us. Do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you everyone.